Hey, it's Joe Crump. Another. This is a trick that I learned from Huckleberry Finn. Actually, not Huckleberry Finn, from Tom Sawyer, and you all know the story. He's out painting a fence because he's being forced to paint a fence, and he doesn't want to paint the fence. So he starts showing people that, hey, this is a lot of fun, and they actually will come in and start doing the work for him. It's called outsourcing. Outsourcing is one of the best ways to get your business done and have someone else do the work for you while you make the profits. Now you're using your knowledge, your skill, your ability, and you're taking a little bit of risk, not money, but just your time. And you're going to go out there and you're going to get people to help you do this work. If you'll learn how to do it first, it'll be a lot easier for you to train somebody to do it after that. So the different skills that you're going to have outsourced are, you're going to get an admin person to take care of all your leads and make sure everything's taken care of, make sure your ads are run, make sure your paperwork's in place. You're going to get your boots on the ground. They're going to make sure your pictures of your houses are taken. They're going to put signs in the yard. They're going to put a lockbox on the door. If they have to meet with a seller, they can do that. If they need to show the property, if somebody has to be there to show the property, you can do that. That means you can be anywhere you want. You can be in India if you want, or you can be sitting on the beach in the Caribbean, and somebody else could be doing this work for you. As long as you've trained them and you have them in place to do this work, and you set up deals and you have the whole pipeline going, the money will continue to come in because you've built a pipeline, you've built a system to make that happen. So having outsourcing and doing that work is going to make a huge difference.